remember, every time they would ask for a toy, bili siya ng bili. Kasi go. Siyempre, ako yung nanggaling ako dun sa background na ang dali makuha lahat. Daddy, I want this. Mommy, I want that. Ganyan. So, that's where we try to parang magkaroon ng balance. Doon ngayon namin na-apply sa parenting skills. So, yung naranasan niya in life, tapos we try to be, like to agree. We always have to agree. We need to take a break from the shoot because Kayla's so hungry. What is she doing?
Sacrifice na hindi mo sila katabing matulog. May ganun daw na araw na may bubuksan lang ng pinto. Pupunta na yung baby girl namin doon na, Daddy?
Sabi niya, why is Daddy? Parang he's just saying hi to us, pero hindi daw umuwi. Kasi parang hi, tapos after the game, and he's always riding the bus. He's not riding home with us, parang ganyan. We explained to him, parang I had to draw a picture of the Philippine flag and then people. Then I said na parang like, this one is for work. This one, you're doing this for the Filipino people, sabi ko. That is paying for the country. Imagine that. Mas napalapit yung heart ko sa single parents.
Swing.
Stop na?
Okay.
Sincerity. He's very sincere, not only to me as a husband and to the kids.
Yung pagmamahal na binigay ni Danica, ito tatawag lang siya sa akin para mag-pray. Walang katumbas yun. Pag-pray mo na kita, baby, bago ka mag-game. Yung pag-aasikaso niya sa mga anak ko habang wala ako, the best yung para sa akin.
Hi! Please grab a copy of Smart Parenting September issue. First time na kumpleto kami.
Bumili po kayo ng marami.